A lot of people keep asking me this question on, hey, what is the difference between artificial intelligence, data science, data mining, machine learning, deep learning? What is the difference between all of these? Anything that you're doing manually, friends, manual intelligence. If you're a human, if you're driving a car, what do? You control the steering. If there is a signal, you're going to apply brakes. You'll also change the gears of the vehicle, all that. How do you do this? Manually. If I can automate this, then it'll be called as artificial intelligence. Human intelligence, if I can automate, it becomes artificial intelligence. And you have driverless cars, which are a classic example of artificial intelligence. To build that, you need knowledge about data science. Data science has data mining. Within data mining, there is a module called as machine learning. Within machine learning, you have something called as deep learning. Whatever you do, at the end of the day, you'll end up building AI applications. So when I say data science training, what does that mean? That includes data mining, machine learning, deep learning, and all that.